Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Ensure a current backup exists and the recovery track file is accessible. Load the recovery track into your player or DAW and set the correct sample rate and bit depth so timing matches the project. Once done, place markers at the start, loop points, and any silent gaps to speed navigation. This first step prevents data loss and keeps you aligned with the original timeline, so edits later are precise and reversible. Now you continue with the complex middle steps. Isolate the problematic regions and decide on spectral repair, fades, or replacement. Apply time stretch or pitch shift only enough to match tempo and key, because extreme changes introduce artifacts. Once done, use parallel processing, compression, or EQ on a duplicate to preserve dynamics while improving clarity. Make sure to document dry/wet ratios and presets so the process is reproducible. Finish by rendering the recovered track to a lossless format and retain the original session and project files. Check sync and levels against a reference track, aiming for peaks around -6 dBFS to leave headroom. Once done, listen through different playback systems to confirm consistency. If you encounter remaining artifacts, revert to earlier markers and apply more conservative repairs or alternate patches. This targeted rollback is often faster than redoing wide edits and preserves the best parts of your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.